Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix exporting issues on CapCut PC. So to do that, you're just going to go to menu, get to settings, and you're going to go to performance and make sure you have this one unchecked. So under speed up hardware encoding, you're going to disable it. You can also do the hardware decoding one. It basically it basically says unselected to avoid exporting issues caused by incompatible drivers. So you are just going to select that one. And once you're done, you're going to press save and export as usual. Hopefully that will fix your exporting issue. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.